Hi, this is Diego Mangabeira, and this is one new episode of Mind Alchemy here with me. And today we're going to talk about how to use the fire element in your life. So, starting this episode, a new episode, I want you, okay, I want you here with us. I want to invite you to push the button, the subscribe button here down below, and also the follow button if you're in your podcast, and also to smash the ring bell, okay, the ring button really close to the subscription or the follow button just to receive the newest episode inside your smartphone, your mobile, wherever you are right now. Okay, and also click the like and comment below and share with your friends. Okay, if you're not. If you liked our episode, okay, so let's get started with this element. We are in this series talking about the elements in Mind Alchemy. Since I'm an alchemist, I'm going to talk to you just to clarify some things. If you have some question, just do it, okay, inside the comments below, or even shoot us a message, a DM message, Instagram or even Facebook for us, or even website. Okay, our website is www.diegomangabira.com. Diegomangabira.com. It's really easy for you, okay, if you want to share and to understand our work. So what is the fire element? Okay, the fire element in Mind Alchemy. Okay, we need to go deep. We need to go deeper right now because the fire is related to the old traditions, even in the Masonic traditions, in the esoteric traditions, in the initiatic schools. Okay, we can talk about the Greek schools. Okay, the mystery schools. We can talk about the Egyptian. We can talk about what the old traditions, the old civilizations use it as the true meaning of fire. Okay, I will clarify this in the simple terms. Okay, because we can go deep in next episodes about that. But when we understand the true meaning of fire, we can make the comparison with our heart. Okay, the fire is our heart. So what's the fire? Is the essence of our soul, of our spirit. Okay, not just on this existence, on this reality, but in whatever reality you are right now. Not you have, because you do not have anything. You are. Okay, you, if you want to be the person that you want, you will be. You just need to believe and to act properly, not just think. Okay, it's not related to just law of attraction BS. Okay, it's the true law of attraction. If you want to be, you will be. That's the fire element. If your fire is not connected to yourself, for instance, if the fire in your soul, the purpose, if you do not feel, if you're denying your intuition, if you're denying what is in your heart, most of the time you're facing problems, diseases sometimes. You do not believe 100% sure in your words. You're sometimes a hypocrite person, and sometimes you lie to yourself, because a lot of people are lying to themselves today. Yes, that's a worldwide problem. And when we understand this deeper, okay, in a deeper connection with what happened in the old civilization, with what is happening in the old civilizations, we need to talk about scientific astrology. And why is that? Scientific astrology is related to the old teachings, the old schools, the old mystery schools that understood that the the connection that we have with the cosmos, not in the way that we are seeing right now, okay, because astronomy is the daughter of astrology, okay, is the son of astrology. Okay, astrology is the right science, but today a lot of people are just new age things. Okay, new age BS is to trade a religion to other religion. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the true and nature. Okay, the true nature of astrology. And when we understand that, we can see about the archetypes. We're talking about the Platonic archetypes that Plato studied in Greece, okay, 300 years before Christ, or even old masters behind him, okay. And when we're talking about that, we are talking about what you know as the horoscope today. Okay, the signs, the fire element, the signs that are related to the fire element. So we have Aries, okay, we have Leo, and we have Sagittarius. And I don't know if you are on that sign, okay? Oh, my Diego, I'm Leo, I'm Sagittarius, I am Aries. Independently if you were born on that sign, you have that sign, okay? I always repeat that on our videos, our podcasts, because even the comprehension, okay, even the comprehension is misplaced, is malinterpreted, misinterpreted by a lot of people, or even taught, they are teaching incorrectly of the true source of the knowledge, okay, because they want to not have you understand that properly, because that's a technology that we can use. All right, it's really important, is liberty, is freedom. And when you understand that in your astral map, your astral chart, I don't know if you have that one, but if you want your astral chart, you can just click the first link in the description to reach our team. Okay, we can contact you just to have your astral chart prepared, and you to understand a session, to set up a session with us, just to understand what's wrong with you, okay, what's not working with you, in order to achieve more results with Mind Alchemy. Okay, just click the first link in the description, independently if you're in a video or podcast. And what's related to Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, I will describe it in two forms of understanding. That's better, easier for you, quicker for you, just to understand what might happen. Or even if you are not those signs, you understand that they can impact you because of the planets, of the houses, or even the signs related to your ascendant, for instance. Okay, the two meanings are related to the weaknesses and the strengths. Okay, weaknesses and strengths. What are the weaknesses of the fire element? Okay, uh, what the fire brings, a lot of ways. Okay, they bring power. Okay, so if you feel yourself connected with the heart, you're balanced. But most of the people all around the globe, they are not balanced. They are trying to balance themselves, but sometimes people, they have hypocrisy inside themselves, so they speak of things they do not do, and sometimes they have the incoherence, okay, that we teach here in Mind Alchemy as well, the heart coherence. They are not living that way. They read a lot, they listen to a lot, but they are not acting properly. This is the weakness, the true weakness of the fire element. So if you are not coherent with yourself, you're not living the purpose of your life. You can gain the money that you want, but you're not being fulfilled. For instance, yesterday I was with a client, and she was talking to me about one thing that happened with one client of hers, related to that client changed her Mercedes, okay, her car, 3 times this year, okay, 3 times. So if the car was fulfilling herself, okay, I'm not saying that Mercedes is bad. I'm not telling you that. I love Mercedes, but what I'm telling you is 3 times in one single year, okay, and I think 6 months of the year, okay, just the half of the year changing maybe in 2 months changing, okay, the color, the model of the Mercedes. Sometimes it's not the Mercedes the problem. Sometimes it's yourself. Okay, that's the true weakness of fire. What are your purpose? What is your purpose? What is you are not achieving inside yourself? Okay, and what are the strengths of the fire element? Is related to the way that you can resolve things. The fire brings destruction, sometimes destruction, but sometimes fire brings the true cohesion that you need to have. Okay, it's like the fire in your eyes. Okay, the expression that we might have is related to the fire that you need to fulfill with your soul, with your spirit, whatever you want to achieve. And when you have this control of fires, like alchemist, okay, when you have this control yourself, you can achieve whatever you want. Your work that you want, the health that you want, or even to fulfill the mastery of your money that you want, the financial independence that you want. Okay, this is related to fire. Independently if you are Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, I'm not talking just to you. I'm talking to you that want to use the fire element. Okay, to use the fire element is not a joke. It's not a childish thing that you might do. It requires you to be more mature about the control of the elements because it's not for everybody. Okay, this is really important because all the uses of those elements, it requires a lot of new things from us. And if you're not living or you do not want to step ahead to raise your bar, it's really hard for you to use that element because it will contradict what you want and what you do not want. Okay, so if you want to use the fire, use it. Okay, but use it wisely, not use it because I need to have some change. Okay, sometimes people go to those events. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Sometimes those kind of elements of events, but 3 days have passed, 1 week, 1 month, nothing changes because you're not fulfilling. You're not for example, depositing wood in your fire, for instance. Okay, it's like a metaphor. You need to have more wood in the fire. Okay, in the fire that you want to have. Okay, this is really important. Okay, your presence in your life is more important than you can even imagine. Okay, if you like our podcast or our video, just click the button here, subscribe, follow, and also like, comment, and share. It's really important. And I want to invite you to click in the first link of the description. We can help you to understand more about those elements, of course, here with Mind Alchemy, our methodology that we create after almost 15 years working with this methodology. Okay, I wish you a great day of light and prosperity. We see each other in next episodes here of Mind Alchemy. Bye bye. Take care.